With this, there's a couple extra tools we need to talk about. Under Edit Edges, let's say that we did not want a transition of a pork chop in this location. I'd pick that edge and do Edit Edge. And I can come over to Transition, and I can change that into a eyebrow, for instance. So let's pick eyebrow. 1'6" is okay. I'm going to say okay. And just for grins, I don't want to see it to look lopsided. I'm going to change this one as well. And I could have just picked both of them at the same time. I made the change, but because I only picked the one, now I just have to pick this one. So Edit Edge one more time. Transitions. Let's go to eyebrow. Say OK. You can see those changes are made. And let's say OK one more time. And there's our changes made. So it did hold back, and it did push that out to the correct depth that it should be. Now we're going to modify this roof just a little bit more. We have roof properties. Roof properties happens to be something that we can actually change this. We can change the floor that it's on. We can change the eave and rake trim. Let's say we wanted to use a different piece or a different style that had a different profile on it. And we could do a mass change of all transition types by this drop down. So I'm happy with everything that I have in here currently, so I'm just going to say OK. But this is where you could come back and do your changes. I'm going to say OK. Close that screen. Some edits have been made. No, I don't think I had any edits, so I'm just going to say no to get out of that screen, and it leaves the roof alone.